Are you also struggling with writer's block? लिखने बैठते हो और समझ में नहीं आता कि क्या लिखना है? Don't worry, you are not alone in this. Every writer, researcher, and PhD scholar hits this wall. But the good news is, writer's block permanent नहीं है. This is just a state of mind जो अगर आप चाहो powerful तरीकों से खत्म कर सकते हो. Today, in this video, I am going to share that 4 powerful ways to break free and get your creativity flowing again. And by the end of this video, I am going to share a checklist जो आपको help करेगी आपका writer's block को खत्म करने में. Hi, I am Dr. Surabhi Acharya, PhD in Business Management and founder of Sanraj Education. At Sanraj, we guide PhD students across globe and help them to pursue their PhD in a smoother manner. Step 1. Reset and relax. Don't fight it. Writer's block is simply your brain asking for rest. Instead of forcing words, step away for a bit. Go for a walk, listen to music, or even do something fun and unrelated. जब आपका माइंड रिलैक्स होगा तो क्रिएटिविटी ऑटोमेटिकली वापस आ जाएगी. एंड देन सिट एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग. स्टार्ट विद स्मॉलर पोर्शन एंड देन कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू अ लेंथी पोर्शन. स्टेप 2. चेंज योर एनवायरनमेंट. If you always sit at the same desk, try moving to a cafe, library, or even outdoors. If you usually write in silence, add some soft background music. A new environment, meeting new people, networking will help your brain that this is something different and it often triggers fresh idea. While you are doing your research or while you are writing, the more you make your body and your mind calm and help them understand the environment, उतना ही आपके लिए easy हो जाएगा अपने writer's block को end करना. Step number 3. Lower the pressure. Don't think about writing the perfect thesis, novel, or research paper. Just start with one sentence, even if it's silly or random. आपको starting से ही perfect नहीं होना है. Perfection is something that you can attain when you are working on that piece regularly. So if you are just starting, so बैठो और आराम से लिखना शुरू करो जो भी आपके mind में thoughts आ रहे हैं. This will clear your mental clutter and open the creative tab. Step number 4. Use prompts or free writing. Pick a random question like, what would I do if I woke up in another city? What's one memory I'll never forget? What is one thing I always want to find solution of? Write without stopping for 10 minutes. ग्रामर की चिंता मत करो, परफेक्शन की चिंता मत करो. डोंट वरी अबाउट कि मैं हिंदी, इंग्लिश या किसी भी लैंग्वेज में लिख रहा हूँ. पॉइंट है लिखना, पॉइंट है समझना और अपने थॉट्स को पेपर पे लेकर आना. सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्री, start using some prompts that will help you generate ideas. This is how you can end your writer's block, and this is how you can write a perfect novel, thesis, or a research paper. Always remember, writer's block temporary है, लेकिन आपकी creativity and आपका mental health permanent है. If you are a researcher, PhD scholar, or student who wants to overcome blocks in thesis writing, research, or academic paper, comment help and I am going to share a checklist and few more steps and a worksheet that will going to help you overcome your blocks. I'll be meeting you soon in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.